Imagine going to work one morning and discovering that your job no longer needs a human. Artificial intelligence is changing the workplace faster than most people expected. AI can already write, analyze data, answer customers, create images, generate software, and perform thousands of repetitive tasks in seconds. But what happens when companies begin using AI not just as a tool, but as a replacement for entire tasks and roles? In this video, we'll look at 10 types of jobs that could be among the first to face major disruption from artificial intelligence in 2026. Number 10. Customer service representatives. AI-powered chatbots and voice agents can answer questions, solve basic problems, and communicate with customers around the clock. For simple and repetitive customer requests, companies may have less reason to rely on large human teams. Number 9. Data entry workers. Entering information into spreadsheets, databases, and business systems is exactly the kind of repetitive work that automation can handle extremely well. AI can extract information, organize it, and process huge amounts of data much faster than humans. Number 8. Basic translators and transcription workers. Modern AI can translate conversations, generate subtitles, and convert speech into text almost instantly. Human professionals will still be needed for complex and sensitive work, but simple translation and transcription tasks could become increasingly automated. Number 6. Basic content creators. AI can now generate articles, images, videos, advertisements, and social media posts. This doesn't mean human creativity is disappearing. Instead, the value may shift toward people who know how to use AI effectively. Number 5. Junior administrative workers. Scheduling meetings, organizing documents, writing basic emails, creating reports, and managing routine information can increasingly be handled by AI assistants and AI agents. Number 4. Basic graphic design roles. AI image generators can create professional-looking visuals in seconds. Businesses that once needed simple designs for advertisements, social media, or presentations may increasingly turn to AI-powered tools. Number 2. Repetitive financial and accounting tasks. AI can analyze large amounts of financial information, categorize transactions, detect patterns, and automate routine reporting. Human professionals will still be essential for complex decisions, strategy, regulation, and accountability. And number 1, jobs built around repetitive digital tasks. This could be the biggest category of all. AI agents are moving beyond simply answering questions. They can potentially perform multi-step tasks, interact with software, analyze information, and complete workflows with much less human intervention. But here's the important part. AI may not simply replace humans. In many cases, AI will replace specific tasks within a job. That means the future of work may not be humans versus AI. It may be humans who know how to use AI versus humans who don't. The biggest opportunity could belong to people who learn how to work alongside artificial intelligence. So instead of asking, "Will AI take my job?" a better question may be, "What parts of my job can AI automate? And what skills can I develop that AI cannot easily replace?" The future of work is already changing, and the people who prepare early may have the biggest advantage. Subscribe to Future Wealth AI for more videos about artificial intelligence, money, technology, and the future of work.